serious about going on YouTube, then you must understand that what you do immediately after uploading your video is as important as the video itself. Most small YouTubers make this same mistake immediately after uploading every video. They just hit publish and start hoping for strange magic to happen when there are a few extra things that they need to do in order to ensure that the magic actually happens. And that is the difference between a channel that has only 53 videos but with over 300,000 subscribers and a channel that has about 150 videos but with just 30,000 subscribers. I made up my mind that I will discover the secret, and that is what I will be sharing with you in this video. It is called the winning upload strategy. I will be breaking down the steps that you need to take in order to ensure that your videos get hundreds of thousands of views. So ensure that you stay till the end, because I'm sure you'll be hearing some of these things for the first time. Now I will quickly guide you through my personal uploading steps before I now show you the things that I do after uploading every video. Welcome to my channel. My name is Innocent. My goal is to help at least 1,000 new YouTubers hit monetization in the next 12 months. So if that sounds like what you want to do, what you want to achieve, then let us help you. Hit the subscribe button, like, share, and click on the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, you'll be the first to see them. So the very first thing that I do is that I ensure that the file name of my video matches the title of the video. Now, if you take a look here, you will see file name. You can see that the file name of my video is why 98% of new YouTubers fail. If you come over to the title, you will see that it's also the same thing. Now, this has been a subject of debate on YouTube among creators, whether the file name that a video file has when it is being uploaded on YouTube matters. Some think it's useless, while others think that it matters a lot. Personally, I believe that it matters. But let's do a little research. Now let's come over to Google and ask Google this question: does the video file name matter on YouTube? Hit enter. We can see the answer. Yes, a descriptive video file name matters on YouTube, particularly for search engine optimization, that is SEO, because it helps YouTube's algorithm understand your video's content, which can improve its visibility in both YouTube and Google search results. Using keywords in your file name aids in this process, giving search engines more context to categorize and rank your video effectively. So you can see for yourself, it serves as an important metadata which helps the YouTube algorithm to recommend your video to the best audience. So let's take a look at the default file name that our editors like CapCut gives us after we have exported our video. Now this is how CapCut delivers our file when it is outputted. So you can see here that it's very difficult for the algorithm to understand the video. There is no keyword in this video file name. So there is nothing to lose, people. Just rename the output file from CapCut or DaVinci Resolve or any other editor that you use. As long as that file name still appears on YouTube, it shows that YouTube is still analyzing it. Now the next important thing is the video title. Your title and your thumbnail are without doubt the most important sections of your new video, especially if you are still a new YouTuber that does not have an already waiting audience. So the only way to get your prospective audience is through your title and your thumbnail. Your title needs to entice people to click on the video, and it needs to depict what is to be covered in the video. The reason why you clicked on this video because of what the title promised. In case the titles of your videos that you have already uploaded did not depict what you covered in the video, you can still change them even after uploading. Thanks to YouTube that you can still edit our videos even after uploading. The next is your description. Your description is an absolute gold mine for helping the algorithm to push your videos out. So here is how you get a clear description for all your videos. So you come over to ChatGPT and ask it to write a fully optimized description on this YouTube video title. Why 98% of new YouTubers fail, for example, that is targeted at new and small YouTubers. Click on enter. As you can see, ChatGPT has given us an output. Essentially, is a fully optimized YouTube description for your video titled Why 98% of new YouTubers fail, crafted specifically to target new and small creators who want to succeed on YouTube. He also even added something to the name that we gave it earlier. Why 98% of new YouTubers fail, and a bracket how you can be the 2%. That is very wonderful. So you can see that he has given us a very good description that is full of keywords. If you are a new and small YouTuber wondering why your channel isn't growing, this video is for you. In this video, I break down the real reasons most YouTubers fail in 2025, and most importantly, how you can avoid those same mistakes. That is wonderful. That is very, very wonderful. So you can see, it goes ahead to give us the hashtags that you can also include as part of our video description so that our videos can rank high in search. So you see that that this is a very wonderful tool, but many people are not even aware of it, or they don't know how to utilize the tool that is available in ChatGPT. Also on video description, if for example that you have the full script of your video, you can also upload it into ChatGPT so that it can help the algorithm or the AI to give you a description that is well tailored to your video. So if you are comfortable with the description that the AI has given you, the tool ChatGPT has given you, you can just copy it and go and paste it on your, I have selected it, just hit Ctrl+C, you go to your description and paste it. Afterwards, add other links to your other contents in your description. That is why you have up to 5,000 words available to you to use as your description. So one of the most important links that you should always add to your descriptions to all your videos is the link to your playlist. One of your most important jobs on YouTube is to keep viewers who have landed on your channel as long as possible, because if they run off to someone else's channel, they may not come back to your own again. So one of the easiest ways to ensure that this happens is to have all your videos in a playlist. So that way, when someone clicks on one of the videos in the playlist, at the right hand of the YouTube screen, all the other videos in that same playlist will be suggested to the viewer, so that when he finishes watching one, he's most likely to watch the other ones, because all the videos are in the same niche. All the videos are discussing the issues in the same niche, so they are most likely to continue watching because your video is covering a particular niche. So the videos in that playlist are all interesting to the people that are interested in the niche. For example, this is one of my videos. If you look at the right hand here, all these videos are also my videos. So the chances are that if a viewer is watching this video, after he is done, he's likely to click on any of these other videos that also belong to me. That way, I will keep the viewer in my channel as long as possible. Now, if only just 30% of all your viewers remain on your channel watching your other contents, that will mean a huge success for you on YouTube. Now, playlists do not automatically appear at the right hand side of the videos all the time. So you need to encourage your viewers to always check out other things that they might need by clicking on your playlist, whose link you have already put in your video description. For those of you who do not know, let me show you how to get the link to your playlist, which you can copy and paste or embed in your video descriptions. Now, when you come over to your dashboard, click on playlists, assuming you have already created the playlist. When you click on playlist, all your playlists will appear here. Then hover your mouse over any of the playlists, and these three vertical dots will appear. Just click on it and you will get a link that says get shareable link. When you click on it, the link to your playlist has been copied to your clipboard, as you can see. So when you go to your video description, you paste the link. That way people will have access to all the videos in that playlist. Now, the last part of the video description stage is the hashtags. YouTube allows creators to have up to 60 hashtags in their video description, and as you can see here, ChatGPT gave us some hashtags, but I don't think that they are enough since we have the permission to use up to 60. So remember, you were a new YouTuber, you are trying to come up, so you can use every available means to come up. So what I try to do is that I try to generate as much hashtags as possible that I can use, so that I will leave no stone unturned in order to ensure that my videos go viral. So I use rapidtags.io to generate tags, which I ask ChatGPT to convert into one paragraph hashtags. So personally, what I do is that I generate my hashtags from the tags which are always given to me by rapidtags.io. Many of you know rapidtags.io, but let me show you. So this is rapidtags.io. When you come to this page, just paste your YouTube video title and click on enter. It will instantly generate a lot of tags for you that are related to your video title. So what I do is to copy it, then I come over to ChatGPT and ask it to convert these tags into one paragraph set of hashtags. You paste the tags that you just copied from Rapid Tags and click on enter. As you can see, ChatGPT has converted it into a one paragraph set of hashtags. You can just copy them as they are like this. Select them, Ctrl+C, then go over to your description and paste it there, as you can see here. Once you are done with your description, the next thing is the thumbnail. So what you want to do is to always create thumbnails that invoke curiosity and stand out enough for people to click on them. Just look at the thumbnails of all your competitors, see the ones that are doing well, and copy them. That is how to grow. So after creating a killer thumbnail, the next important stage is your tags. So those same tags that were generated for you by rapidtags.io, just paste them directly on the tag section. That's exactly what was done here. You don't need to alter anything if you don't need to, but you can go through them to find out the ones that are relevant, because AIs can also make mistakes, but normally what they give is usually okay. Now the next stage is end screens. Now when you click on add under end screens, you have a lot of options here. The first option is importing from the latest video. The second one is similar to the first, where you have the video that you want to recommend appear by the left, and then your subscribers link appear on the right. The second one is when you showcase a playlist, and then your subscribers link. The next one is when you have two videos showing by the left and by the right. And the other option is when you have one video and then one playlist. You also have another option of one video, one playlist, and then one subscribers link. It has been proven by successful creators on YouTube that when you give people too many options to choose from, you make it difficult for them to even choose one. So the best option is one subscribers link and then one video. That is what successful YouTubers do. So when you pick one video and one subscriber, click on the video section. You have the option to choose which video YouTube shows your audience. The first one is most recent upload. The second one is best for viewer. The next one is choosing specific video by yourself. So normally I like to leave it at best for viewer. Why? Because YouTube knows my viewers more than I know them. So YouTube algorithm checks my whole videos, and then it knows the watching history of every YouTuber. So it can recommend the best video that is suited for my audience. You can also adjust the time that the end screen lasts by adjusting this slider. So once you are done, you click on save. So end screens are useful for boosting watch time and views. So always include an end screen to your videos. Also add subtitles for different languages, but you are not going to do that on this video. But adding subtitles to your videos helps viewers from other nations who are not English speaking people to also benefit and enjoy your video. So if you want me to do a detailed video on how to add subtitles, let me know in the comment section. If I have more number of people who are interested in such video, I will quickly make a video on that. Finally, before your video goes live, ensure it has stayed with YouTube for at least 1 hour. This enables the algorithm to fully process the video, because the YouTube algorithm goes through your words. Everything that you said in the video, it goes through it. That is why it is able to generate its own auto subtitle. So normally 1 to 2 hours should be allowed for such underground processes to happen, so that once they are done and your video goes live, the algorithm knows who to push your video. So that is what creators that are successful always do. So also observe that too. So if you want your video to go live by 6 p.m. for example, it means that you will post your video earlier then and schedule it to be pushed out by 6. Post it earlier than 6 p.m. so that all these background checks and processes that happen will fully happen. Because once that stage is fully done, the next stage is pumping your video out to the right audience. Now once your video is finally live, the first thing you should do is to watch your video using your support channel. You must have a secondary support channel. Every successful YouTuber has such a channel. This is to give yourself extra views, likes and shares and watch time. So watch the video till the end in your support channel. This will boost your engagement and your watch time too. Now the next thing you need to do is to link your shorts to your long form videos. Yes, link your short videos, your short form videos to your long form videos. This is a way of getting extra boost for your videos. YouTube Shorts bring in massive number of views and subscribers, and YouTube allows creators to link their short form videos that are known to bring in subscribers and massive tons of views. So once you upload a long form video, go to your shorts and link them to your long form video. That way the massive views that are coming to the short form videos will be directed to the long form video that you just uploaded. So this is a way of cross promoting your long form videos and your short form videos and providing exposure for them. Now if you want to link your long form videos to your short form videos, just come to shorts, hover over it, then click on edit. When you click on edit, scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see related video. When you click on related video, you will be allowed to choose any of your long form videos or even shorts, any video at all that you want to link to the viral shorts. And by the way, if you are not creating shorts, you are missing out on a ton of new viewers. It is well documented that shorts have the capacity to bring in a ton of viewers and subscribers, and there is a way to create multiple shorts from just one long form videos. I discussed it in this video. So if you want to learn how you can create multiple shorts from just one long form video, watch this video and you will learn how to do that with tools that I discussed in the video. Also, when you start getting comments on your video, try as much as you can to respond to all of them, especially within the first few hours or few days of the video. Try to provoke as much comments and engagement as possible, because that improves your engagement, which the algorithm uses to push your video even further. So let me know about other areas that you may want me to cover in the comment section. Also check in my description, visit my playlist. You will see other high quality videos that I have also published which can help you to succeed on YouTube. See you in my next video.